back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
As we are ready to go, as Trevor Size and Ryan Smith will be able to make themselves off of turn 3 and 4. Now the first start to go in the middle of 3 to the end of 4, but after that big start zone as we are ready. Trevor Size going to go green. We're underway. Terrible start there for Ryan Smith. Brandon Fouts going to sling it in there and give him a door. Fouts not playing around. He went in there and drove her in deep there to Ryan Smith, and now Fouts will make his way up to the second spot. Trevor Size, Fouts going to go around as Smith's going to get into him. Ryan Smith and company, but that's going to make a big move for Veronica McCain to move into the third spot. Ryan Smith wasn't too happy to Brandon Fouts, and he gave him a shot, and now Fouts going to be forced to dive to the inside as Ryan Smith and Fouts are not going to play nice with each other. Down to the backstretch, here goes Fouts one more time to Ryan Smith as Trevor Size drives away with this one. As Size continues to drive away, last lap time of the 14.520 as it'll go to the 000 of Foster McCown for second. How about all the way from Australia, Veronica McCann steals that third spot away after Ryan Smith and Brandon Fouts got into it. Trevor Size still clicking laps away at halfway to go. Lap time still in the 14-second bracket. Size looking really good as the battle's going to be for that third spot. As we have the number 1 machine, that's going to be Veronica McCann. McCann holding off a charge on the 4 of Ryan Smith. And you got a great 3-car battle race in the back of the field involving Mr. Porter, Brad Durgill, and Josh Watts. 2 to go, I believe, this time by for the 73 of Trevor Size. Size continues to dominate this one. McCall right there behind him in the second spot as the 1 of Veronica McCann holding up Ryan Smith and Brandon Fouts. White flag in the air. Battle's going to be for that 4th and 5th spot. McCown, oh my God, sideways off of turn 2 as it'll be Trevor Size. He will get the checkered flag here for Raleigh Auto Parts. T-race number 1. It'll go to the 00 of Oscar McCown. After that, it'll go to the 1 of Veronica McCann as Ryan Smith and Fouts settle it out between each other in 4th and 5th. Matthew Porter for 6, Josh Watts, and Brad Sturgill.
For talking about where they're going for dinner afterwards. They pull up side by side. I have some plans for DQ afterwards or Burger King. I don't know where they're headed, but they pulled up to talk to each other.
I think there's going to be a little more talk when they get out of the race cars here, Jamie. Brandon Fouts in lap number 1 just sent her in there after the terrible start there with Ryan Smith. And, boy, I'll tell you what, Ryan Smith was not too happy at all as Brandon Fouts will be checking in there in the pits for the scales. But that's going to be Raleigh Auto Parts heat race number 1 for Trevor Size. Austin McCown, Veronica McCann will be your top 3. As we are ready to go, as Chris Chandler and Tyler Arrington going to make their way through the middle of 3 and 4. Here we go for outside group heat race number 2. And boy, that was an interesting start, and we are going to call that one back. So as Chandler is going to lead him anywhere, he may fire now. As Chris Chandler, it's going to go to Stallings and the 5 of Chesney, and we are back underway. Terrible start there for Steve Stallings. That's going to allow the 002 of Tyler Arrington to get a good run to the inside of Chesney. Chesney to the outside, Arrington to the inside, and here we go door to door. Nope, it's going to be Chesney off of 4. Chandler able to pull away. You got the 5 of Chesney. Single file, no, the tail throughout the field. Last lap, it's going to be checkered flag for the number 8. It'll be Chris Chandler will get it done. You have the 5 of Chesney for second. Arrington, Stallings. It'll go to Jake Madden, Nathan Martin, and Nigel Nichols will round out their field here for the outside groove heat race number 2. Open wheel modifieds. We need you, open wheel modifieds. As we pass it along to Jamie Hughes, the voice of the Hidden Hollow Speedway.
Open wheel modified, getting ready to roll out. And again, we will have a first-time feature winner at Hidden Hollow Speedway in this class, as the last week winner. Dustin Mosley is not with us. Who's it going to be, guys? Jacob Paul will bring him out, and he'll be on the pole.